All right, guys, I got my hat on backwards. It's time to mean business. It's time to talk about how you are gonna go make an extra $1,000 a month with a marketing side hustle. Hey guys, my name is VanderMeer and I worked really hard to get a digital marketing agency off the ground. Now I'm giving some of that information, that value back to help you start yours on this YouTube channel where I do digital marketing tips almost every single day. Hit that subscribe button, I promise you won't regret it. Now, for you guys to go make $1,000 extra this month with a digital marketing side hustle, let's go through a couple tips to help you get that started and help you gain that knowledge to get the ball rolling, to get your agency going. All right, tip number one, guys, you've probably heard this one before, but as you start to get your side hustle going, one of the hardest parts is you're not gonna have a portfolio. You're not gonna have other work that you worked on. So to develop the portfolio to help you make that $1,000 extra a month, you have to go out and do free work or work on your personal brand where you control all of the data and all of the content that you put out. Get that personal brand going, get a lot of content out, be authentic, be yourself, and start to develop that audience and those true believers. Then reach out within that audience and find some people you can go do some free work for. I'm talking about a couple extra hours a day where you can go take some pictures, shoot some video, work on some social media and digital marketing profiles, and get that portfolio started. Tip number two, I want to talk about what making $1,000 extra a month is going to look like. It's only going to mean 1 or 2 clients where you're building 1 to 2 social posts a week for. Actually native content to the platforms that they're on. You're going out a couple hours each night to go take those pictures and that video, talk to the client about what's authentic to them, and then put that context together in those text strings and get them scheduled in that platform of choice. Once you got that portfolio set up, you'll be amazed at how many people will start to ask for more to try to get that extra content out. And capitalize, get those first couple clients, charge them out $500, $600, $700 per month, per set and per client. And you're gonna be able to use that evening time, those extra hours, that second shift to go and get that content, get it ready to go, and make that extra $1,000 a month. Tip number 3, now how do you get those clients? I always focus on my sphere first. Focus on the people you know, the businesses that you've started to network with as you got your portfolio going. Go out to them, have honest discussions, and see if you can make content for them. But once you've exhausted your network, you have to find more people. What I like to do is I like to use Google Maps and LinkedIn together. Find a quadrant of the city, find those small businesses that could utilize your services to make more of that content. Then go on LinkedIn and connect with the decision makers. That gets you your warm touch point. After that, walk in the door, make those phone calls, go develop those relationships, and find those first couple clients to get going. I have another video where we'll put the link to an episode just on how to do that on LinkedIn and Google. We'll put it above or below or somewhere, but you'll be able to find it on my YouTube channel. Tip number 4, do your research. Do as much research on digital marketing as possible, whatever niche that you are entering into with your clients. Do not give the wrong information to your clients. Make sure you know what you're talking about before you say it. There's a lot of people trying to get a digital marketing side hustle going. There's a lot of competition and a lot of noise. And you standing out with the right information is going to make a difference in getting that side hustle off the ground and hopefully making it into an agency one day. And tip number 5, the last tip, an easy one, make sure you're utilizing all of the hours in your second shift. That shift after your day shift, when you get home 6 to 2 in the morning, make sure you're utilizing all of that time to gain all of the knowledge you need to get the business off the ground. One of the things that I always say when you're getting a digital marketing agency going is you need to understand all components. You need to understand SEM, SEO, website development, video content, graphics. You need to understand as much as possible. Find tools online. If you're not good at graphic design, go find Canva. If you're editing videos, get iMovie, get Final Cut, get Premiere. Find a way to understand it all. It's going to help you delegate as your agency gets bigger and bigger. That's it for this episode, guys. I challenge you to go make an extra $1,000 a month with your digital marketing side hustle next month. Get going, go hustle. It is so much fun, and let your passion shine through. It's going to make a huge difference. That's it for this episode, guys. I can't wait to see you guys in the next one.